Hi! We're done with the multiplying and dividing rational algebraic expressions. That's why this day we are going to have adding and subtracting rational algebraic expressions. So we're going to add or subtract rational expressions having the same denominator. But before we proceed with rational algebraic expressions, let us have a review about fractions. So you are going to perform the operation on the following fractions. On the first example, we have 1/2 plus 3/2. Okay? So what do you think is the sum of these two fractions? Yes, you will obtain 4/2 or 4/2. And if you are going to simplify this, so the final answer here is 2. Okay? Next, let us have 5/4 plus 9/4. Okay, so we have 14/4, and when reduced to lowest term, yes, it is 7/2 or 7/2. Next, let us have 9/5 plus 3/5. The answer here is, yes, we have 12/5. Okay, so you cannot reduce them or this fraction because the numerator and the denominator have no common factors. Okay? How about 10/13 minus 5/13? Correct. You have 5/13. So still, it is written in the simplest form. Next, 5/4 minus 1/4. Correct. We have 4/4. And if you're going to simplify this, this is equal to 1. Okay? So, for you to add or subtract rational algebraic expressions having the same denominator, we find the sum or difference of two rational algebraic expressions with the same procedure that we used for adding or subtracting two fractions having the same denominator. So, if P/Q and R/Q, where Q are not equal to 0, are rational expressions, then P/Q plus R/Q is equal to P plus R over Q. That is, to add or subtract rational algebraic expressions with the same denominator, you are going to add or subtract the numerators and keep the same denominator. So let's have this. For our example, you are going to add or get the sum of the following, and you are going to write each answer in lowest terms. Okay? For the first one, we have 7/15 plus 3/15. Your answer here will be, so you are going to have your solution with 7 plus 3/15, and then you will have 10/15. And then if you are going to reduce this to lowest term, so you will have to find the GCF, which is 5. So this will become 2/3. Okay, I hope you got it because you are going to have here 1. Okay, and then on the second example, we have 2x over x plus y plus 2y over x plus y. So we have here 2x plus 2y over x plus y. And then, as you have noticed, our numerator can be factored out because it has the common factor, which is 2. So that's why you can express this as 2 times x plus y over x plus y. And then, you can still simplify this, so you can cancel out our x plus y here and our x plus y here. So this will become 1, and you will left with 2 times 1. So your final answer here is 2. Okay, any question? Okay, so how about this one for subtraction? So we have here 3/2x minus 7/2x. Okay, so we have here, negative 4/2x. And try to simplify the numerator and the denominator. So you may obtain negative 2/x. Why? Because we have here 2 and negative 4, which has the common factor 2. So this will become 1, and this will become negative 2. Okay, sorry. So again, we have here negative 2. Okay. So, that's why your final answer here is negative 2 over x. Okay? Next, let us have 3x over x minus 4 plus 6 over x minus 4. Okay? So, we have here, okay, correct. We have here 3x plus 6 over x minus 2. And then, you can still simplify this as 3 times x plus 2 over x minus 4. But, both answers are acceptable. But, you have to find out if, for example, your quiz is in multiple choice type. So, try to look either of these two answers. But if you are going to express your answer in simplest form, so your answer should be 3 times x plus 2 over x minus 4. Okay? Any question? Okay. So, let's have another example. So, you have to add or subtract this RAE. We have 4m over 3 plus 5m over 3. Your answer here again will be yes. You are going to have 4m plus 5m over 3 and you will obtain 9m over 3. And you are going to take a look on the numerical coefficients if you can simplify them. And if you can simplify them, so you have to find the common factor. So your final answer here will be yes. Your final answer here is 3m. Okay, question? Okay, now let's proceed with the next one. We have 6a squared over a plus 2 plus 4a squared over a plus 2. Okay? So, again, copy the base or copy the denominator rather. Then, add the numerator rather. And then, if you can simplify, you have to simplify. But since we only have 10a squared on the numerator and a plus 2 on the denominator, so there is no common factor between the numerator and the denominator. So, this is your final answer. Next, let's have 2x squared plus 3x minus 7 over 2x plus 1 plus x squared plus x minus 8 all over 2x plus 1. Okay. So, this time, you are going to add first the numerator. Okay. So, we have here the like terms. Of course, in polynomials, you are going to add the like terms because you can only add or subtract the terms of the polynomials if and only if they are similar terms. So, we have here the similar term 2x squared and x squared. And you are going to add them. So, you will have 3x squared. And then, we have to add 3x with its like term x. So, you will obtain, yes, 4x. Then, you are going to add the constants. We have negative 7 plus negative 8. And then, copy the denominator. So, you will have, okay. Next, then you're going to try if the numerator is factorable. So, yes, that is factorable. And you can factor it out as x plus 3 times 3x minus 5 all over the common denominator 2x plus 1. Okay? So, therefore, this will be the sum of our given rational algebraic expressions. Okay? So, let us have another example. We only have here 3a over 4 plus 7a over 4. Okay? So, what do you think is the answer? Yes, we have here 10a over 4. But, if you can reduce them, we have to reduce. So, you have here 5a over 2 because it has the common factor 2. So, that's why 10 divided by 2 will become 5. Then, 4 divided by 2, this will become 2. So, that's why your final answer here is 5a over 2. Okay? Next, we have 8x squared over x plus 4 plus 2x squared over x plus 4. Okay, so we have here 10x squared over x plus 4. Okay, next, let's have x squared minus 4x minus 10 all over x minus 7 plus x minus 18 all over x minus 7. Okay, so as I have said earlier, copy the denominator, and then we have here just only x squared. So there is no like term with the other RAE, so that's why you only have here x squared. And then we have here negative 4x and positive x, so that's why you will have negative 3x. Then we have here negative 10 plus negative 18, so that's why you have here negative 28. And then you have to try if you can factor out the numerator. Yes, you can factor this out. So you can factor this out as x minus 7 times x plus 4. So I hope you can still remember how you are going to find the factors of the numerator x squared minus 3x minus 28, wherein you are going to apply what you have learned on our previous topic. And then you can cancel out the common factor. We have here to cancel out x minus 7 and x minus 7, so this will become 1, and then we have left with only x plus 4, and that is our final answer. Okay, any question? Okay, so again, as we have done addition and subtraction of RAE, let us have the steps in adding and subtracting RAE with similar denominators. Okay, so step 1, again, we have to copy the denominator, and then add or subtract the numerator, and then you have to simplify the result. So as long as you can simplify, as long as you can find for the factors of the given answer, so you are going to factor them out so that you can simplify your answer. Okay, so I have here some real life situation wherein you are going to find the perimeter of the following plane figures found in each historical sites of the city of General Trias. So I have here the first picture of St. Francis of Assisi Parish Church. Okay, so I have drawn here the triangle, okay, at the roof of our church. So we have here the first side is x squared minus 7x all over 2x minus 8, and then followed by the second side, which is x plus 1 over 2x minus 8, and then the third side is 4x minus 9 all over 2x minus 8. So you have to apply what you have learned on your previous lesson, wherein you are going to find for the perimeter of the triangle. So yes, you are going to add all the sides of the given triangle here. So therefore, for us to solve this, you may have x squared minus 7x. Okay, so we have here x squared minus 7x over 2x minus 8 plus the next side is x plus 1 over 2x minus 8, and the third side is 4x minus 9 over 2x minus 8. So as I had said, copy the denominator. So copy the denominator. So we have here 2x minus 8. Then add or subtract the numerator. So we have here x squared. There is no like term with the other two numerators. So you will have here x squared. Then we have here negative 7x plus x is negative 6x plus 4x. We will have here negative 2x. And then we have here positive 1 plus negative 9 is negative 8. Okay. And then, as we have the sum of the numerator, so we have to look if the given answer is still factorable. Yes, our numerator is still factorable. So the factors of x squared minus 2x minus 8 are x minus 4 times x plus 2. And then, take a look also on your denominator. If it is factorable, so you are going to factor it out. Yes, it is factorable by using GCMF. So, our GCF here is 2. So, 2x divided by 2 is x. And then, negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. And then, apply simplifying RAE. So, you can simplify this by cancelling out or dividing out the common factor. So, this will become 1. And then, you have left on the numerator with x plus 2. And on the denominator, you have left with 2. So, that's why you have here the sum in simplest form, which is x plus 2 over 2. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, let's proceed with the second one. So, we have here bantayog ng mga bayani ng lahi. Yes, it is near the town plaza of Malabon. Okay, so we have here in front of General Tria Civic Center. So, I have here the rectangle. So, we have here the width measures x plus 6 all over 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. And the length is x plus 1 all over 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. Okay. So, you have to recall how you are going to add or how you are going to find for the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay? So, we all know that for you to find for the area of for the perimeter rather of a rectangle, you will have perimeter equals to length plus 2 width. Okay. So, as I have said, we have here the length, which is x plus 1 all over 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. Okay. Plus 2 times our width is x plus 6 over 4x squared plus 28x plus 49. And then, to continue, so you will have on the numerator, so you will have 2x plus 2 over the denominator plus, we have here, okay, sorry, I forgot the quantity or the parenthesis. So, we have here 2x plus 12 all over the denominator, and then you are now having these fractions or the RAE with the same denominators. So, as I had said earlier, you have to copy the denominator, then add the numerator. So, we have here 2x plus 2x is 4x. And then, we have here 2 plus 12 is 14. And then, look if the given answers are still factorable. Yes. So, you can factor out our numerator here. So, the GCF here is 2. Yes. So, you will have here 2 times 2x plus 7 over, look also for the denominator if it is factorable. Yes, it is factorable because it is under PST. So, that's why you will have here 2x plus 7 times 2x plus 7. And then, look for the common factor on the numerator and denominator. So, obviously, we have here 2x plus 7. And then, you will left with 2 over 2x plus 7. So, there we have our final answer in simplest form. Okay, any question? Hey, for the last example, let us have the rectangular figure or design in the GBR Museum. So, we have the one side is x minus 7 over 4x squared minus 4, and the other side is 8 over 4x squared minus 4. So, we are going to use, again, the formula in finding the perimeter of a rectangle. So, again, we have perimeter equals 2 times length plus 2 times the width. So, we have here 2 times, for example, our length is x minus 7 over 4x squared minus 4 plus 2 times the width is x over 4x squared minus 4. Then, we have here, since this is over 1 again, so you will have on the numerator 2x minus 14 over the denominator plus 16 over the denominator. So, since we have the same denominators now, so copy the denominator and then add the numerator. So, we have here 2x only, and then negative 14 plus 16, we have here positive 2. And then, we have here 2 factor out. So, we will obtain 2 times x plus 1. And then, we have here, the common factor is 4. You will obtain x squared minus 1. So, as you have noticed, this is still under our DOTL. So, still you can factor it out. So, you will obtain 4 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. So, cancel this out as common factor. Cancel this out as this will become 1 and this will become 2. Then, you will have 1 over 2 times x minus 1. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. So, I have here another slide and you are going to simplify this, but although it is not recorded, just practice this slide so that on the next meeting you can answer the exercises correctly. Okay, so that's all for this day and thank you.